Space looks peaceful, silent, beautiful, calm. But that's just what it wants you to think. Because hidden inside our own solar system are things so terrifying, so powerful, that they make Earth feel like a fragile accident. We're talking about storms bigger than entire planets, oceans that could hide alien life, and a force so deadly it could erase everything we know in seconds. And trust me, number 3 will completely change how you see space forever. Let's begin. Imagine a storm so massive it could swallow Earth whole. Now imagine that storm has been raging for over 300 years. Welcome to Jupiter's Great Red Spot. This isn't just a storm, it's a planetary monster. With wind speeds reaching over 400 miles per hour, it tears through Jupiter's atmosphere like a cosmic hurricane that never dies. But here's the scariest part. No one knows exactly why it still exists. Storms on Earth fade in days or weeks. This one, centuries. If Earth were even remotely close to something like this, life wouldn't stand a chance. It's a reminder that in space, nature doesn't follow our rules. It creates its own. At first glance, Venus looks like Earth's twin. Same size, similar structure. But don't be fooled. Venus is the definition of a nightmare world. Its surface temperature is hot enough to melt lead, around 900 degrees Fahrenheit. Its atmosphere is thick with toxic carbon dioxide, creating a runaway greenhouse effect that turned it into a living furnace. And the pressure? It's like being crushed under the weight of the deep ocean, just by standing there. But what makes Venus truly terrifying is this. Scientists believe it may have once been like Earth. Oceans, possibly even life. And then, everything changed. Venus is what happens when a planet goes completely out of control. A warning, floating right next door. Now let's move to Saturn. At its north pole lies something that shouldn't exist. A perfect, six-sided storm, known as Saturn's hexagon. Think about that for a second. Nature doesn't usually create perfect geometric shapes, especially not on a planetary scale. Yet here it is. A storm larger than Earth, spinning endlessly, locked into a perfect hexagon. Scientists still don't fully understand how it formed, or why it maintains its shape. And that's what makes it so unsettling, because it feels unnatural, like something designed, something we don't fully understand yet. And in space, the unknown is often the scariest thing of all. Between Mars and Jupiter lies a region that sounds harmless, but isn't. The asteroid belt. Millions of rocky fragments drifting through space, some small, some massive enough to wipe out entire civilizations. You might think they're spread out safely, but the reality? It only takes one. Just one asteroid slightly off course to collide with Earth. And we know this isn't just theory. About 66 million years ago, an asteroid impact led to the extinction of the dinosaurs. And here's the chilling truth. There are still thousands of near-Earth objects we haven't fully tracked, which means right now, something could already be on its way. Silent, invisible, unstoppable. We often think of the sun as life-giving, and it is, but it's also the most dangerous object in our entire solar system. The sun is a massive nuclear reactor, constantly releasing energy through explosions called solar flares. Most of the time, Earth's magnetic field protects us, but if a powerful enough solar storm hits, it could shut down global power grids, destroy satellites, collapse communication systems worldwide. In 1859, a solar event known as the Carrington event caused telegraph systems to fail across the planet. Now imagine that happening today, in a world fully dependent on technology. And here's the real fear. The sun isn't done evolving. Billions of years from now, it will expand into a red giant, potentially swallowing Mercury, Venus, and maybe even Earth. The very star that gives us life could one day take it away.